Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Today, we're here to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. I usually post these videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, but I wasn't feeling well yesterday, so this video is going up on Wednesday, November the 20th. We're looking in DFW, so let's go shopping. I went to 3 different stores, combined all the pictures into one video. And apparel and accessories, we have the Sugar Daddy Crew socks. It says one size fits most. They have also these crew socks that have the Tootsie Roll Pops on them in a couple different colors with the bright red, yellow, and blue. There's also the Tootsie Roll Pops that say roll with it, or they're the Tootsie Roll socks. Then there are the Ring Pop Crew socks with the blue background and the red ring pops. Also, we've got the candies called Dots. They have those crew socks, and there's also the Junior Mints. We've got these reusable tote bags. These are the extra large ones that you can wipe down. There is the blue and white, the cranberry and white. It's a really pretty red. There's also the sage green with the white and black and white. And then for the arts and crafts this week, a few new items and some restocks. We've got a restock of the tube confetti in all 3 packages. They also have a bunch of their glass beads restocked, which is popular for crafting this time of year, and some red and green yarn. They have a couple different versions of the red and green yarn and different colors. There's like ruby, deep emerald. They also have crimson and Christmas tree green. They have their pom-pom makers by Crafter Square also restocked. This is the large one, or you can get the 2-pack, which makes the medium and small pom-poms. These are the metallic watercolors, which are new, and now we'll look to see what's new in the baby and toddler section. They have out a bunch of these slippers. They have the no skid bottoms and the Sherpa material on the inside. I don't see any character slippers out right now. They're just the solid colors, but these fit a toddler probably about the age of 2 to 4. There's also these carry along activity books with the stickers and markers included. They had Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. There's also Spider-Man, the LOL Surprise Dolls, and Paw Patrol. And last but not least, they also have Frosty the Snowman and his friends. There's like a reindeer and a penguin. For the health and beauty section, we'll go through a few different items like the cosmetics that are new and restocked this week, some hair care and hair accessories, and the pharmacy and personal care items. First up, we have the LA Color Shimmer Lip Gloss in the color Frosted. They're so cute. They look like they're the sugar cone ice cream cones. There's also the color called Sugared. It has a pink top, kind of like a peach color actually, and it's got a nude lip gloss. Then there's Sweetie, which is a very pale pink. You can see it's also in a nude color. And if you look real close at the packaging, you can see the applicator. This one's called Candied. It's got the brush applicator there over to the right. Then they had the lip balm. So this one's called Mint Chip, and it's got the regular cone, like a cake cone style. There's also the chocolate. And then this one's the vanilla. And they also had bubble gum. That's the pink one. Then they had the lip gloss that looks like a popsicle. This one's strawberry scented. The green one is watermelon. And then the grape. And they also had cherry. If you look real close, you can see the wand that's similar to the other wand. Then these are like a bottled bronzer, face and body bronzer with the glitter. And you can see it's called like Clean Co. Face and body glitter. It was liquid. Then we have these really pretty emerald green barrettes with the satin ribbon. It has a little bit of a shimmer to the material. It's really pretty. On the back, you can see it's got like that alligator clip. This is an extra large headband in the same material. It's about 2 to 3 inches wide at its widest point. They have the skinny headband with the bow at the top. Here's a view of it from the side so you can get a better look. They also sell it in a scrunchie. So in the same color, same material, there's 4 different versions. Then they had this very pretty pink scrunchie with this gold heart and rhinestone, kind of like a locket or charm. And the 3-pack of satin scrunchies. There's the white, very pale pink, and black. So 3 for $1.25. Also, these fashion hair clips, you get 3 for $1.25. They have them in the black, or you could also get them in the 3-pack of red. It's like a real bright red. Also, there's some claw clips with pearls on them. We have the nude. This is a dark navy blue. And these have kind of like that flocking style material on them. They had purple, a very pale pink, and a very, very pale yellow. And now for the fun finds this week. I thought these were kind of fun. They had these flavored lip balms. There was Mountain Dew. They also had the frosted confetti cupcake Pop Tarts lip balm. There's the frosted wildberry lip balm. And they had the Sour Patch Kids flavored gloss. There's the watermelon and the blue raspberry. And now we'll look to see what's new in home decor. There really wasn't a whole lot new, but they had these gorgeous signs with the beads and tassels with the cardinals. So this one says home with the gray background with the home cutout shape. They also have a heart with the black and white buffalo plaid. And you can see it's got the tassel, the gray and white beads, or the black and white beads. This one, of course, says love, and it's got the wood grain background on the heart. I'm sorry, the house shape. And then the heart-shaped one, you can either get that in the red and black or the white and black. And that one has different beads on it. It's the white and the nude color. We've also got these ceramic magnets. There's peace, may peace be with you. There's also I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Be grateful. And then this one here, it says faith, hope, and love. And the greatest of these is love. Over in the office supplies and teaching tree section, we have these chisel tip liquid highlighters. So these are a little bit different than normal highlighters. You can actually see the ink flow back and forth with the liquid inside. They had some new Pro Max dry erase markers as well. They've got the 3-pack of pink, blue, and purple or yellow, orange, and green. Also, their metallic markers have been restocked. I didn't see the gold, copper, and silver yet, but I did see the brighter colors. Their pencil cups and the pastel colors are back out. And then they had these new reward punch cards. You get 10 punches. There's 30 cards in each pack. They had the starburst. There was the smiley faces, the stars at the bottom, and then one that looks like a notebook. Also in the housewares, we had some new fragrance for the house. There was the satin wood. It says it's good for sleep. It's made with essential oils. And then there's the bottled up joy. It's the island vanilla cashmere or the satin wood scent. They have the wax melts as well as the room deodorizer. There is the sparkling berry. We've got some new doormats. There's Home Sweet Home, one with like wine bottles. These would be good in the kitchen because they're kind of light. You don't want them to blow away. They have the one with the animals and then the welcome home. Over in the kitchen and the pantry section, they had some new coffee mugs that say Saturdays are for girls with that kind of bubbled vintage writing that's so popular right now. There's also I love weekends and some Christmas kind of pattern of the on-the-go coffee cups. And these are disposable. You get 4 sets. They're 16 fluid ounce cups. And you get the 4 lids for cups. They have the reusable water bottles. Also some new straws. These fit tumblers that are 40 ounces. You get 4 straws. There's 2 clear, a frosted, and a black. And they are a hard reusable straw. And I found them over by the napkins hanging on the plastic strips. Then in the party supplies this week, we have a bunch of the novelty plates for the birthday party items. There is the safari with the giraffe, the monkey, the tiger, and the lion head. So you get about, I think it's 8 plates per pack. They're like a cake plate size. They also had some fun dinosaur plates. And this week I found 2 different versions of the dinosaur plates. They also had the cupcakes and unicorns. So some of these we've seen before. Some of them are restocked. Of course, I don't really remember any new except for the one dinosaur plate. Then we've got this new hanging decoration that says happy birthday with the honeycomb diamond shape at the top in pink or in blue. They also had a coordinating wall decor mural. It's 60 by 20 inches and it says happy birthday with the confetti For the pet care this week, they have the Great Gifts for Christmas squeaky toys. These are a bunch of like stuffed animal looking tug toys, and they have a squeaker inside. You could also get the dog bone, which is like a hard plastic. They have it in this really bright purple kind of pink color, blue, and orange, and those also squeak. Then they had these bambones, which are made with bamboo fiber. It says it's a sustainable, renewable natural resource, and it's salmon flavor. The seasonal items, they brought back the tea light candle holders that look like the reindeer. I only saw them in the gold for now. There's the tea light candle holder stars. This is the glitter star. They also had them in white, and so far those are the only colors I see them in. Or you can get these fun little gnomes and Santas that will also hold a tea light candle. And they're made out of like a thin aluminum, and you could see the cutouts in the front where you'd see the design of the light. They have the red truck with the Christmas tree and the gingerbread houses that say joy. Also, the glitter pillar candles in silver, gold, red, and green. The fabric gift bags, you get 3 pieces. They're 6 by 4 inches. They have the drawstring at the top. There's the blue snowflakes, or you could also get them in the red snowflake pattern. And then this 3-pack, it says holiday candy. They're like homemade candy canes. It says like family owned. This one has a Christmas tree in green. And here's a view of what it looks like compared to the packaging. There's also this Christmas tree pack, a little bit different than the other one. And then some more candy canes, but these are just like a crisscross candy cane with a bow. Again, you get 3 of these. They're 6 inches tall by 4 inches wide. And then there's the Merry and Bright bag. And those were in a bright red. They also had the floor mats with the monogram letter. There's the letter R, G. They had like L, M, A, N, O. I saw an I. And then they had some with the snowflakes on them. And those also have the monogram in the middle. And you can see there's like blue, green, red, and white. And the large monogram letter right in the center. I just went through a few of them. Also some new candle holders. We have the gold and silver. And these pillar candles with the star charm attached. And these are all Christmas scents. There's like winterberry. I think the other one's like a cranberry scent. I found these LED glitter ball decor. These are so pretty. So they have the tea light candle holder attached at the bottom, and they're like a glitter candle on the inside, and you've got the decoration and the glitter on the top. These are absolutely gorgeous. They have 2 different versions. There's gold, silver, red, and green. And here's the gold one lit up from the side. The toys and games this week, we've got these fun Tangle sensory toys. It says wild, twist, and shape. Collect them all. You can see the different patterns there. These are a squishy toy that look like a boba tea. And there is the My Little Pony with the collectible cards. There's Hitch. This one I think is Izzy. And then there's this one. I can't remember what all their names are. I think it was Zip. And then the tan one, this one's called Sunny. The Dollar Tree Plus section this week, we have the like sensory orb moon sand. It says feels silky and smooth. It doesn't dry out. It's 20-ounce bag for $3. They have it in blue, pink, and purple. They also had the LOL mini dolls for $5. You've got this one with the red headband, some yellow shoes, one with blue hair and some giant glasses. There's also the purple hair with the big glasses. And then there were the 10 surprises accessory pack. It says mix and match costume style. And you can see this one's the purple, black, and white. There's a purse, some sunglasses, shoes. This one has some like headphones and a fancy purse. There's a skirt, a shirt, looks like a little sweater, and some boots. And then there's this packet here. Has a couple different outfits, purses, shoes, and headbands. This is like a light pink, orange, yellow, and teal. Then this packet has like a frosted look to it, almost like a winter. It has the really pretty pink, and then the pearly white shoes, some heart-shaped sunglasses, a scarf, and this is the pale green, pink, and white. Has a cloud purse. It almost looks like Hello Kitty a little bit to me. This is like the mermaid style. It's got the mermaid handbag. There's the mermaid tail outfit. Then I found these large Santa sack gift bags. They're 22 or 23 inches by 16.5 inches. They also had a elf Santa sack. Those are $3 each. These extra large belt ornaments are also $3. Has a little bit of greenery, some berries, and a bow at the top. And you can get these either in the gold or the silver. I think that's a great buy for $3. Then I found these tapered curling wands by Pure Silk. They are a $10 curling wand. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. That would really help me out. Again, I apologize this video went up a day late. I was just feeling a bit under the weather. I hope y'all are having a lovely week. Don't forget to check back tomorrow to see what our new DIY is for the week, and Friday to see what else is new at the Dollar Tree. I'll see you then.